Hi guys! Today we'll reset the Messenger PIN code. First of all, unlock your phone so we can start the process easily. Now from your home screen, open the Messenger app. Once it opens, you'll be inside your chats where all your conversations are saved. So just tap on Messenger and let's move forward. Now when Messenger opens, look at the bottom right corner. You will see a menu icon with 3 lines. This is where all settings and options are hidden. So simply tap on the menu to continue. After opening the menu, you'll see different options. Now tap on Settings because this is where your account controls are. This section manages your privacy, security, and PIN settings. So go ahead and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it because Messenger PIN is connected with security features. This section controls how your chats are protected. So open Privacy and Safety to continue. Now scroll and find End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on it because your PIN is linked with encrypted chat security. This is where Messenger stores secure chat settings. So just open this option carefully. Now you will see different options like Chat Management or Restore Settings. Tap on the Restore or Manage option to move forward. This step helps you reset and rebuild your PIN system. So select the correct option shown on your screen. Now you will get the option to create a new PIN. Enter your new PIN carefully and then confirm it again. This will reset your Messenger PIN successfully and secure your chats. Once done, your new PIN will be active immediately. So guys, that's how you can easily reset your Messenger PIN code. If you follow these steps properly, your issue will be fixed in a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you want more helpful tutorials like this.